show you guys one more thing. And I have Hey Dormies, welcome back to the channel. And what the hell is that? Oh god, okay. I just woke up an hour ago and my eyes are still in sleepy mode, but I need to go to university. So today I have two classes, that is surgery and biology. So before going, I thought to make a home tour video because my classes are 2 o'clock, so I have pretty much enough time. So yeah, I'll give you a heads up. So when you get ready, I'll come back. Bye.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, I'm back, and yeah, let's start. Let's start from the main door. So yeah, this is my main door, and here is a cupboard which has a washing machine, and after we enter, we have a bathroom. Yeah. And upon entering here, we have a bed and cute aesthetic painting. And sorry, my bed is a mess now. And we have a huge curtain and a balcony. This balcony, I love it. Like, peaceful place. Oh my god, it's windy. Okay. So this is the outside of the house. Let me take you in. And here we have a window too. So yeah, whatever. And here I have kept my mop. Okay, so this is a huge hall with a sofa. Sorry, it's messy. Sorry, but my house is a real mess right now. Don't mind it, please. And here, with the kitchen and hall, I have a window. Oh my god. And here we have heater. And the amazing thing about this is the aesthetic, the lightings and everything. It's so Pinteresty. So I'm gonna show you guys. And I wanna show you guys one more thing. Let's go. Cute Pinteresty lights. So these at night it looks really amazing, and these lights are so good. Just ooh, I really love this. And the curtains, the wall, and everything, like, it's so Pinteresty and aesthetic. And over here, this light changes to a disco light. You know that? Ooh, how amazing is that, right? And also in my bedroom, the walls are super aesthetic and Pinteresty. So let me show you guys. Like, just look at it. The light. Oh my god. Ignore the pipes, please. And over this side, we have a cute Pinteresty picture. Like, how cool is that? And my shoes. It is 12:36 right now, and by 1 o'clock I have to get going because I need to walk and go to the bus stop. So it'll take time actually to reach my main university. It's not my medical campus, so it's gonna take a little time. So I need to leave by 1 o'clock, and I've had my breakfast plus lunch. How cool is that? Oh my god. I do it every day. Like, if my classes are a bit late, I eat breakfast plus lunch because it's more convenient. Like, you don't have to cook twice or thrice. So yeah, at night I just have the leftovers. That's really everyday work for me because I'm super lazy to cook again and again and again. So I prepared everything just for one time. Like, three time meal will be prepared once. That's how lazy I am. So yes, if you guys have liked my house tour, I know it's not a huge house, it's a really small house, but it's really cozy and beautiful for me. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, do make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, or if you're new. So turn on the notification bell, and yeah, I'll meet you guys in the next video.